Hello everyone, you are watching Career and Fun channel. Today we will discuss current affairs from November 30 to December 6, 2020. The National Organ Donation Day is observed in India on 27th November. Since past 10 years, the National Organ Donation Day was observed in India every year on 27th November. The Indian Navy Day is observed on which date? On November 4th. The theme of Navy Day 2020 is Indian Navy combat ready, credible, and cohesive. International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian people is marked on which day annually? On November 29th. The International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian people is an unorganized day held every year on November 29. India has signed a MOU for cooperation in the field of environment protection and biodiversity conservation with which country recently? Finland. The 2400 megawatt Hussein Clean Coal Power Station is the first ever coal based power plant being set up in Arab Gulf country. The plant is being developed in which city? So answer is Sia Soib, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. In 2020, India is observing which edition of the National Organ Donation Day? 11th. Where is Serum Institute of India is situated? Answer is Pune. PM Modi recently visited Serum Institute of India to review the COVID-19 vaccine development and manufacturing process at this facility. When is the day of remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare observed? Answer is on November 30. The United Nations recognized Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare is held every year on since 2005. IRDAI has recently approved the merger of which insurance company with ICICI Lombard? That company is Bharti AXA General Insurance. Which bank has launched the SMS Pay functionality on the POS terminals for merchants? That is S Bank. The Indian cricketer who recently broke Sachin Tendulkar's record and became the quickest batsman to complete 22,000 international runs is Virat Kohli. In how many states the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar virtually inaugurated Honey Farmer Producer Organization for producing honey? In 5 states they are inaugurated. Those are East Champaran in Bihar and Morena in Madhya Pradesh and Bharatpur in Rajasthan, Madura in Uttar Pradesh and Sundarbans in West Bengal. RBI monetary policy highlights and key decisions. RTGS will soon be made 24/7 in the next few days. RBI proposes to enhance limits for contactless card payments from 2000 to 5000 from January 2021. On tap targeted long-term repo operations TLTRO will be expanded to cover other stressed sectors in tandem with emergency credit line guarantee scheme. Governor Shaktikanta Das proposes to put in place criteria for NBFC dividend distribution, introduces risk-based audit in large NBFCs and cooperative banks. RBI orders HDFC Bank to halt its digital launches. The Reserve Bank of India has issued an order to HDFC Bank with regard to certain incidents of outages in the internet banking, mobile banking, and payment utilities of the lender over the past 2 years. the private sector bank informed to the stock exchanges. The RBI also noted the recent outages in the HDFC Bank's internet banking and payment system on November 21, 2020, owing to a power failure in the primary data center. Here is the list of top 10 companies on the 2020 Fortune India 500 list. In the top one is Reliance Industries, and next Indian Oil Corporation, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, State Bank of India, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Tata Motors, Rajesh Exports, Tata Consultancy Services, ICICI Bank, and Larsen and Toubro. Coming to national affairs, the Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda has launched the first ever virtual edition of Adi Mahotsav in Madhya Pradesh. The event will showcase the tribal traditions of the various tribal communities by having their crafts and natural products on display. United Kingdom Prime Minister Boris Johnson is expected to be the chief guest at 2020 Republic Day, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi formally inviting him. And Johnson on his part has invited PM Modi to give to the G7 summit in the United Kingdom next year. In Karnataka, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa laid the foundation stone for 11.5 megawatt power plant based on a municipal waste in Bidadi, Bangalore. It is first of its kind power plant in the state being set up by the Karnataka Power Corporation Limited KPCL, and will help in converting 600 tons of municipal waste into 11.5 megawatt energy. International affairs. New Zealand has declared a climate emergency and promised to make its public sector carbon neutral by 2025. New Zealand now joins 32 other countries that have declared a climate emergency. They include Japan, Canada, France, and the UK. The first coal-based power plant of Arab Gulf country is being developed in Saisub, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The 2,400 megawatt Hessen clean coal power station will be built in at an estimated cost of $3.4 billion. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే న్యూ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.